In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Todoist, so you can turn emails into tasks and finally get your inbox working for you instead of against you. We've all had emails that are really to-dos in disguise. This integration lets you capture them as proper tasks without losing track of a single one. Let's set it up. Start by opening your settings. The quickest way is to press the letter O, then the letter S, which jumps you straight into the settings panel. In the list on the left, click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make. At the top, click the Browse tab to open the full gallery of available integrations. You can scroll through or use the search box to find what you want. Look for the Gmail integration and click it to open its page. From here, the setup is straightforward. You'll click Connect and then sign into your Google account, approving the permissions so Todoist and Gmail can work together. I won't log into a personal account on screen, but those are the exact steps. Click Connect, choose your account, and approve the connection. Once it's set up, you get a small but powerful add-on right inside Gmail. From any email, you can create a Todoist task in a couple of clicks, and that task links straight back to the original message, so when it's time to actually do the work, the email you need is one click away. No more flagging messages and hoping you remember them later. This turns your inbox from a pile of obligations into a clean list of clear next actions. Emails that need doing become tasks, and everything else can be archived with a clear conscience. Go ahead and connect Gmail in your own Todoist and take back control of your inbox. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.